All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is Charlie here, and I am with Rebekah Bradway. Say hi, Rebekah.
Hi, everyone.
All right, Rebekah is also with the McCurdy Group, and you, I asked you what your title was, and it's too much. I know I have a big mouth, but it's too much for me to say.
I am Senior Personal Insurance Risk Manager. And it does seem like a mouthful, but really all it means is that I write and assist with personal insurance. Homeowners, auto, boats, personal.
Wow, that's a big mouthful for a lot of personal insurance. Very, very cool. So if let's talk about homeowners insurance, because I know we talked about that with Emily. What if I have a house I'm not living in? Like, let's say I have a house here in Massachusetts and I'm a snowbird and I'm moving down to Florida. I'm not moving down to Florida, but I'm just wintering in Florida. Well,
there's lots of reasons that you could own a home but not necessarily live in it. And the insurance solution to all of those different scenarios can vary. For example, let's say you bought a home and you're going to be renting it out. Make a little extra money on the side.
Sure.
Most people think that any type of building, if it's for a residence, can be insured on a homeowner's policy. But the mere name of the policy, homeowners, indicates that the owner must reside in the home in order for it to qualify for a homeowner's policy.
That makes sense.
It does. The good thing is there are some solutions to that.
What do we do?
Well, there's a couple of different forms of a homeowner's policy. You may have heard of a renter's policy.
Right.
All a renter's policy is the basic homeowner's policy, but you take away coverage for the structure itself.
Right, so renter's insurance is just for the contents.
Just for your contents.
It's not on the house structure.
And your personal liability, which is very important. A homeowner's policy insures the structure and gives you personal liability protection against third-party lawsuits. So it's twofold. But if you are not living in the home and you're renting it out to someone, then we would write a different form of homeowner's insurance. We call it a dwelling fire policy. It can also be referred to as a landlord's policy.
Okay.
What that does is it provides the insurance for the structure itself, and it gives the owner that liability protection for any activities that might occur on the property. Say your tenant fails to put away, I don't know, something, a hose, or fails to put away a rake. They were doing some yard work, and a neighbor, friend, mailman is delivering something, trips and falls on the rake and breaks his arm.
Yikes.
The owner of the property needs to be protected because he owns the property and could be brought into a lawsuit. But the tenant also needs liability protection because it was their negligence. It was their negligence. Negligence that led to the injury. So the same property can have multiple policies associated with it.
Gotcha.
The dwelling fire to protect the owner.
Yep.
The renter's or tenant's policy to protect the tenant.
Gotcha.
And again, that's related to liability.
All right.
But when it comes to insuring the structure itself, the owner of the property needs to insure the structure.
Gotcha.
A tenant cannot buy a homeowner's policy for a property they do not own.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Lots of good information. I hope you guys got all this. This is good stuff for you guys to know, and we'll do this again. Rebekah, thank you so much. We'll talk again.
Perfect.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.